I'm going to explain the different meaning of the signs, whether they are in front or behind the numbers. I'll give you an example. Let's consider this function, which is y equal to x. Now, if we want to calculate the limits of this function for this point here, p, well, let's do it. Okay. If we want to calculate the limit of x as x approaches plus or minus, we just have to consider this function as it approaches plus 4 from the left, while here, if we want to know the limit of x as x approaches plus 4, we have to consider the function approaching the value from the right. So in this case, the sign which is behind the number indicates the position from which the function is approaching a value, while the sign which is in front of the number has a static meaning. So it shows us which number we're considering between the real numbers and if it's negative or positive. And it's the same for the result. But the result is, in the first case, plus 4 minus. This minus indicates that the function approaches the value from below, while in this case the result is plus 4 plus. So the function approaches the result from above. Now, this means that those signs here have a dynamic meaning, so they show the direction from which the function is approaching the value. So we can just read this limits as the limit of x as x approaches plus 4 from the left is equal to plus 4 from below. So here is the limit, so the function approaches the value from the left and from below. And the limit of x as x approaches plus 4 from the right is equal to plus 4 from above. So in this case, here it is, the function approaches the value from above and from the right.